Hey guys, this is Raya and this is Sisu 2 and now we're back to the Ghostbusters video game. Now we're gonna go to investigate them. Okay?
Well, it's a great read, but nothing about that.
I know that symbol.
How?
It shows up sometimes in Sumerian ritual magic. There's a statue on loan at the museum that features it.
What does it represent?
Just a symbol. Signifies a path to obtain great power. Most of my colleagues assume it's an old constellation.
No constellation I ever saw. And I used to tell fortunes on Coney Island.
Is that right? Did you wear a turban?
No, man. A red velvet cape with moons. It was plush.
Get this. The Codex does indicate there is some kind of feeder system required to channel energy to a destructor form.
A destructive form? Like Stay Puft?
It's entirely possible that system and this pattern are connected.
It's possible.
Wait, you said the Gozerian statuary at the museum is on loan. From whom?
Ivo Shandor, the architect. Well, the Shandor Foundation. They control Shandor's remaining estate and holdings. Ivo is a big collector of Gozerian artifacts.
Oh.
By Ivo Shandor the architect, you mean Ivo Shandor the genocidal maniac, right?
That's what I was researching when Gozer attacked me. Shandor's architecture firm was involved in a number of projects around town in the late early 1900s.
Including Dana Barrett's old building on Central Park West.
You mean the one with the extra-dimensional antenna that drew Gozer to our world so he could attempt to destroy it? Had a nice view of the park, though.
Yes, but he also did some renovations on existing buildings and a number of public works. There was controversy, because a lot of people thought the work was unnecessary.
Let me guess. He did some renovations on the public library building on Fifth.
Right, and the Museum of Natural History.
Recent visitations, specific localized paranormal activity, singing Vikings.
They're all connected to Shandor and this pattern.
Agreed. Okay, time to go to Ecto 1.
We should warn the mayor.
I don't know, he's likely to just sick peck on us even more.
You should get a closer look at the museum.
Well, the mayor's going to be at the museum for the exhibitioning opening gala tonight. It's where I need to be too.
Hilissa, you sure make work fun for me. Is business casual okay? I don't have a tux.
Are you kidding? He doesn't want you guys within 3 city blocks of the museum tonight. He thinks you make his campaign contributors nervous. Besides, that Peck guy will be at the party too.
Okay, Egon will stay here and finish analyzing the data from the library. The rest of us will go in by the service entrance of the museum and lay low. Peter can attend the party as Alyssa's guest and stay in plain sight of Peck.
And that frees us up to check out the rest of the building.
I love this plan. It's just dull enough to work. Il, I'm going to bring you a corsage.
Really?
We just arrived at the loading dock. Keep Peck distracted. We're going to poke around.
Okay, I'll take one for the team.
No sign of the curator. Alyssa told me he'd meet us right here.
Okay, this is... Whoa. That's...
Something wanted out of this box in a big way.
Watch out for the black slide. Unchecked can eventually open a full professional portal. Open doorway. Anything that wants to can come through. If a full portal has been opened, it has to be sealed using your slime blower. That's the key reason we developed that deck. Door's sealed shut. Somebody find the power.
The power cord. I need to follow the cable. Ah, there he is.
Good work, Joai. Look at this. Something's trailed packing material down the hall here.
Packing material and slime.
Trying to get rid of that slime. quick. Did you saw that?
Maybe. Level 7 or above.
Didn't we used to fight class 2s and 3s every now and then? What happened to this? Too easy.
Ah, the good old days. I'm more worried that she'll stir things up around here. I expect you'll see her again sooner than you want to.
More slime.
Hello? Who's in there?
Somebody that wants out is who?
Ooh. Major mask on back. Huh. Never seen that weird looking mask like that. That was creepy and weird.
Hey, cadet. Get in here and clear this off, please.
Be ready for anything. Possessors are tricky. Oh.
Oh, Dr. Rutherford. Z, meet the assistant curator of the museum.
Is that horrible, terrible thing gone?
Yeah, she's gone. You good?
Yes, I suppose so. I'm a big fan. I even had you over for my daughter's birthday a couple years ago.
Is that so? Yeah, well, I think we can get you a sticker or button or mug or t-shirt or something when we're done here.
Oh, that would be wonderful. Follow me. We'll go through the restoration department.
Okay, whatever he says so. And then why is he hiding in that box by...
There it is again!
That's right.
Don't let it get me!
Don't you worry. She'll have to go through me first. No, it's gonna come up, look.
Oh no, not him.
Can you help me?
Hold him down, young blood.
So that's, let me see, did you scan Raya? No. She's not. Yes.
You guys are really good.
Voila. That's fusion-based exorcism in a nutshell. Clearer than somebody's head spinning all around in Barbie pea soup.
Will he be okay?
How you doing, Ray?
How's it buzzing? How's it buzzing?
Really?
How's it shit?
Really,
You'll be
bruh?
fine in a second. After you.
Oh no, if this place is possessed by possessors, we'd better get to Peter fast. Beckman, we found the curator. We're on our way to the Gozer exhibit now.
There's so much to show you. Where to start? Things have been very strange since they started setting up that exhibit.
Huh?
Well, hello there.
Figure, Peter. Ray got possessed again.
Aw, Z!
You'll have to go through me first. That's exactly what he said.
Just like a puppy. Every day's the first day.
She is so funny what they say, right? Yeah. Oh no, it's that dude again. Right? Yeah. He's annoying.
No, no, no! I want the Ghostbusters ejected from this facility immediately! Where's his honor, Pecker? We've got news for him and a photo op. The mayor is indisposed right now. Anything you need to tell him goes through me. Not happening, technique. This is for Jock.
Oh no.
Security! Remove these men. With excessive force.
Now, Alyssa.
Why do the good ones always play hard? the hell is going on here? They got me. I never got it.
More possessor ghosts. Kid, you know what to do.
Right. I know what not to do.
Party's over.
Possesses human. That was funny. Right? Yeah, of course it's funny, but we need to help them, bruh.
First, doesn't it? Let it all out. I'll see you all on Rikers Island with it. Whoa, take a break. Do you ever shut up? Oh my God!
They're packing the guests.
That ghost is mine.
Hold on!
Nope, not doing
Stay
it.
there! How much ectoplasm can one ghost produce? Above you! Come on, now! Turn around!
Come on. Ow! Really, bruh?
You know who I am?
This ghost is mine. Ow! Really?
Oh, slide again! Look, it's talking.
This ghost is mine. Oh no. Not again.
How much ectoplasm can one ghost produce?
Come back here, you. God. Yes! I got them. Yimmy, we got him. It's her. Huh? That ghost kidnapped her.
All right, you guys go after Alyssa. Be careful. I'll get the security. I love this plan. I'll man the security cameras to triangulate them on the monitors and talk you through.
See you soon, Ray. Let's go, guys.
See you soon, guys. Dr. Rutherford, if you'll show me to security.
Hold on, let me find something here. Like what? Sisu. Well, there's nothing. There he is. So he is I don't know how to find that kind of ghost.
It's a mannequin ambush. Don't bother trying to capture it. Blast them down to nothing.
Possesses statue. Really? Now that they possess everyone and now they possess statue?
Catch up to them.
How's going in your favor? Let's make some noise.
Oh no.
Winston just saying, take it to the bridge. What are you guys doing down there?
Do a funny joke. Before getting to the security cameras, please, Ray. Oh, he got away.
Ow! Oh no, what dying? Oh wait, they... Flying skulls? Where did they come from? I got jumped. Hold still, you silly skull.
Ray, did you see where they went?
We haven't reached the security office yet. This place is really hopping.
Yeah, that's the Big 10-4.
Ooh, look at all those artifacts. This one looks like a saber, the jaguar skull. Man, natural history in the museum was so amazing. All history stuff. Whoa, what happened? Been here. Oh no.
Hittites, Mennonites, Phoenician, Babylonian, Assyrian.
Please do not flash quality.
He's making it all up.
Just one of those things. You pick this stuff up, around the office.
Peter, come in.
Hi, honey. How was your day?
Bruh.
We've reached the security office. This one is a shambles. It's been sabotaged. Black slime all over the place. Only a few of the cameras are still working.
When you're free, no rush. Open gate 3487, just for kicks.
Give me a minute.
Oh, you go.
We'll get back to
Ray,
you.
stay away from any possession. Dr. Rutherford, if you're still there, can you go catch Dr. Stantz, please?
What is this? Oh, Civil War.
Found a different security room. Can't find Dr. Rutherford, though. I must have scared him off.
You're not pretty when you're possessed, Ray. Seriously.
I've got you on the cameras. You should be coming to the Civil War exhibit. Melissa just passed through there.
Curse Musket from Sisu. Never seen this one.
Okay, we're on it. Thanks.
The Civil War. Wow. Never seen a Civil War during the history like this.
You know the difference between this exhibit and the other ones? The soldiers in this one have guns.
Oh. Never seen this before during the Civil War inside museum. But it's just a museum, Raya. All the time of a source.
Let's
What?
just pass through here as quickly as we can. Yeah, I just want to do it.
What was that?
Just thinking happy thoughts.
Raya, I think we're in the Civil War. Yep, we are. Those ghosts.
Any heavy interference on the monitors. You guys in trouble?
Couldn't have been the American Revolutionary War, could it? Or the war on roads. Even the war on drugs. It just passed to be this.
Ow.
I said before and I'll say it again. Maybe they just popped. But those barrels are marked explosive.
Ow.
You play hardball, right? Like a pro. Incoming. Nobody can get with me. Look out! Above you! What if they are? Ow! That was ow there. Let's see you guys fight it out inside that tiny little trap.
Ow.
Look out! Above you!
Ow.
Being a beauty kid. Wish this trap had a window. If he just
Union Ghost.
I said before and I'll say it again.
Ow! That ghost is hurting me.
I know there was an accident, right?
I think we got it. Got them all.
Yeah, we took some casualties.
We made it to the security office. I can see you guys on the cameras. No sign of Alyssa or her kidnappers, though. In the early 1900s, the museum was run by a board of trustees. Powerful guys, tycoons, captains of industry. The chairman of the board was Cornelius Wellesley of International Steel. The board used the museum as a respectable front for all kinds of dubious activities. Mainly, though, they were part of a club run by our favorite evil architect. They hired women from the St. Nicholas Rehabilitation Mission for wayward angels. Rumor has it the board conducted all kinds of nasty rituals using these women.
We've got to find that oozing tub of blubber and Alyssa. Well, here we are, the Egypt exhibit. I practically lived here while I was working on my doctorate.
Oh, black slime.
There was less black slime here.
Black slime portal. So that's how the ghost's coming from. Well, not anymore. I get rid of it.
After you. Hey, folks, it's okay. Be calm. Everything's under control.
It's the Ghostbusters! Ghost! Get away! Get away!
Oh no, it's that soldier Davis. Oh, this is not good.
Yeah, of course. The trap locks us in with the ghost. Wouldn't it be nice to get
Oh
locked
no,
out every now
it's a
and then?
statue.
They're bringing some something. Gonna have to watch out for you. Ow. Ow there.
Get your shirt on. Somebody will show up.
Get your head down.
Look out! Above you!
Ow.
Run! Doing proud, folks. Hey!
Yes.
out of the Egypt exhibit. The main door is blocked up tight.
The Egyptian main room? Check the west wall. There should be a door leading through to the next exhibit.
I'm looking right at the west wall, and I don't see a door.
Well, I'm looking right at the blueprints, and,
Good. Thank you very much. Now let's get the hell out of here. Where'd Peter go now?
Hope you guys like, subscribe. We will see you tomorrow in the Ghostbuster. Bye. Bye.